तेरी सेवा जिस तू आप कराए, पार ब्रह्म परमेश्वर सतगुर आपे करने हारा, चरण तूड़ तेरे सेवक मांगे, तेरे दर्शन को बलिहारा, तेरे दर्शन को बलिहारा।
Joining us from United Sikhs is Manpreet Shahi, who is leading the volunteering efforts in the city of Tracy, and Gurvinder Singh, who has joined us from Dallas, Texas. And this is a great occasion since Thanksgiving efforts were recognized by a lot of city and county officials right here in the city of Tracy. And there was not just volunteer recognition, but a lot of appreciation and future planning as we saw the year 2021 rolling off and year 2022 coming on. So big congratulations on the beautiful efforts. And how do you see the accomplishments in 2021?
So I think we have achieved, United Sikhs have achieved what they wanted to do in the city of Tracy, and also with today's event, previously during all the cleanup activities, all the activities that we did here, a lot of volunteers joined, but with after today's event, more volunteers will join because they have seen the efforts that that United Sikhs is doing all over the world, and more volunteers will join.
In 2021, we saw a lot of efforts being done, especially on the cleaning side, and the volunteers were gathering multiple times in a month, not just to clean the highways, but also different streets of the Tracy, and efforts were made to keep the city clean. Whereas we also heard from you in the report that you were giving out by the non-profit organization, for and on behalf of the non-profit organization United Sikhs, that other than cleaning, a lot of services were provided in 2021 by United Sikhs. Can you summarize those for us?
Yeah, so basically United Sikhs is of the Sangat, by the Sangat, for the Sangat. What that means is whatever the need is, that is what we will accomplish to fulfill. So we recognize that the year 2021 brought a lot of challenges, unprecedented pandemic that ravaged the entire world. So millions of meals were provided. PPE kits were provided, hospitals were served, underserved were served, meaning that those who could not even leave their homes were served with hot meals. The Kisani Sangharsh, the Farmers Morcha in Delhi, where hundreds and thousands of farmers went on a prolonged agitation against some draconian rules that would have obliterated farming as we know it. So we helped them on the streets, provided them meals, provided them water, provided them tents, RO systems, ambulances, medical services. And in Afghanistan, when you had a terrorist attack at a Gurdwara in which a minority was targeted specifically, so to make that minority ensure that they are not alone, providing them with monetary assistance, providing them with documentation assistance, passports, providing them with resources on the ground, and a 24/7 Afghan desk for those who resettled in Delhi. So multiple projects across the globe. What we ensure is that those who are in need, that we try to fulfill those needs, because that is the essence of our faith. That is the essence of the philosophy of Guru Nanak Sahib, that you go to those who need the assistance and then you actually assist them where they are. So that is what we will continue to do. And as Manpreet Singh Ji Shahi has done a wonderful job in Tracy, these are the staunch volunteers, the amazing volunteers that allow the organization to prosper, that allow the organization to do what we do. And we request everyone listening, please volunteer, take part, donate your time, resources, energy, money, whatever you can, make a difference, make an impact, and save lives.
Wonderful. And United Sikhs, as we all know, has been leading efforts on various fronts. And in 2022, you have more things on the agenda other than cleaning. So why don't you share that with the viewers?
Yeah, so basically, next year in Tracy, what we are trying to do is that, to serve the food to homeless, every week instead of, doing monthly. And for that, I need volunteers and also donations. So, and also we will be working with, Bay Area non-profit organization to do so that we can serve the meals every weekend. And also, I want, start a food pantry here, just like, Guru Nanak food pantry or Sikh food pantry, and in Tracy. So that is the goal. Let's see if we can achieve it or not. But these, cleanups will continue. I don't want, put more burden on the families to do the cleanup every weekend because everyone is busy. So it's going to be, once per month in city and every other month for the highway.
Wonderful. So, I just want to ask you a basic question because in 2021, it was a part of the pandemic year pretty much, vaccines came, but that was not until the mid of the year. And you guys were still heavily engaged in the cleaning efforts. So were the volunteers not fearing the infection?
So basically, every volunteer, they came on their own wearing masks. So we made sure that, people who doesn't have mask, they'll get a mask, right? Without the mask, we will not doing the cleaning. And when we are out in the open, at very distance, we can take the mask down and take some, breathing. So that was the main thing. And also that's why, some of the volunteers, they joined when they got vaccinated 2 times, and then they joined. And then since they got the vaccinated 2 times, they are with us.
So, is there any message for the city of Tracy residents on how to keep the city cleaner?
So basically, one simple thing: think before you throw. That's it. Think before you throw. And also, sometime I was thinking this because I'm from IT background. Just whatever you sell, even in the store, you get a bottle or even the paper bag or something. Put some kind of chip there so that they know this guy bought it. He threw it over there. Let's fine him. So that's the idea, but it's not going to happen, I know. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not like catching a criminal,
It's personal responsibility, right? It's upon all of us to make sure that we live in the city. This is our home. It must be clean. We wouldn't allow dirt or grime or, trash in our houses. So, we have to make sure that we take pride in where we live. So it's personal responsibility and humble request. Make sure, Pavan Guru Pani Pita, Gurbani says that the earth is our mother. So how can you put trash on your mother?
And also, sometimes I have also heard from the community members that, this is not my job, right? It is city's job. And then I asked the question to them, who is city? It is us.
Absolutely.
It is us,
Absolutely.
not the government. We chose them, and they're so busy doing other stuff, but they cannot be everywhere. So we need to think ourselves before we throw.
Absolutely. And when I saw the volunteering efforts being made, I saw community from different kinds of diaspora joining hands with United Sikhs in the cleaning efforts for the city of Tracy, and there were people of different races and ethnic backgrounds, people from all age groups. So how was the feel and how did you gather them all together? How did you spread the word and encourage them to join you?
So basically, it was the news in Tracy Press, and then I met with the city officials and they supported it, and then social media and also word of mouth.
I'm surrounded by the wonderful elected officials here who are here to commend the works of United Sikhs, the non-profit organization. So welcome in.
Thank you.
Well,
first,
thank you.
first, we want to say that Yo India TV is our favorite TV network that we watch all the time, and we're so glad to have you with us today. And United Sikhs, once again, an example of leadership and community building that makes a difference. So thank you.
And by the way, I did not go for an introduction, but he was Tom Patty, the chairman of the Board of Supervisors in the San Joaquin County. So
Thank you.
so much. And what's the best thing you like about United Sikhs?
Best thing we like about United Sikhs, the people, their heart, the giving, the selflessness, and the community that they build where they are. And that's truly the best part.
That's wonderful. And Robert Rickman, as most of you know, is the supervisor from Tracy. Welcome in, and how's the field this evening?
Great. Great to see you again. Thank you, everybody, for being here. And Happy New Year to everybody. It's just an honor to be here. Just be honored to be here amongst all these great folks. Thank you to United Sikhs. And thank you to all the volunteers that made this happen. You know, one of the things that makes San Joaquin County, and especially South County, so special is the way that we come together, to solve problems. And you look at what the United Sikhs and all the volunteers have done just this year, helping out with COVID, keep cleaning our community, once a month on Saturdays, picking up garbage, making sure our community stays wonderful. So thank you, United States, thank you everybody.
So, Jess, you are the planning commissioner. As a planning commissioner, how have you been helping United Sikhs to achieve their mission?
So yes, I'm the planning commissioner for District 5 here in the San Joaquin County. So I started with Manpreet Shahi Paji in the initial stages of when we were doing the cleanup and all that. So I have my businesses to run, so usually I'm working late on Friday night, so I cannot be there on Saturday morning, so I do my monetary donations just to stay on the pace. But it's a very selfless service that they do. It's really like bringing the community together. Cleanups, a lot of cleanups, and I know you have covered a couple of them. I missed you there. But thank you for coming here. Once again, you guys are in Tracy, one of the best cities here. I have to say it. In the South County, we have a group of good people here, and welcome.
Assembly Member Carlos, you've been helping everywhere, and I have seen you at the Tracy Gurdwara before.
Right.
So how's the feel overall? Because this is a non-profit organization whose efforts go a little different, or it's a separate organization, I would say, than the Tracy Gurdwara Sahib, although they do a lot of seva or selfless service as well. So what's your take on the overall activities of cleaning that have been done by United Sikhs?
Well, I got to say that before I got in office, it was a lot of people always talking about beautification, right? One thing that they always wanted to make sure that our city is safe and clean, and that's exactly what you guys have been doing, is really putting in the efforts, right? So United Sikhs, thank you for what you guys are doing in our community, keep it safe and keeping it clean, but the fact that you guys do so much to get the community involved, right? So look at the turnout today. They had just a great turnout. So, but today we're here to say thank you to all the volunteers that gave their time to get involved in our community. And same here, I'm here. So on behalf of the State Assembly, I want to thank you all that really put the time and effort. This is really important for our community. And we're going to be back here another year, but we're going to make sure that our staff really gets involved. So thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, well, thank you so much for having me here. My name is Alicia Davis. I'm a council member here with the City of Tracy. And first, I'd like to extend my gratitude to Manpreet Shahi for all of the work that he's done with organizing the cleanups here, and I've been honored to be a part of that. I've gone out several times to clean up, and believe it or not, as a council member, I'm always very proud to help with any effort to keep our community clean, and I get super excited when we fill up the dumpster. So,
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Hello, how are you today? My name is Miguel Villaputo. I'm the supervisor for San Joaquin County, and I appreciate everything the United States does for our county and throughout our nation and the world. You guys are amazing people, and the cleanups, what you guys are doing is fantastic. It's making a big difference, and I'm so proud to be here. And thank you for the invite.
And thank you, Supervisor, for all your support. Everyone appreciates that.
We need Robert Rickman to jump in there and get dirty.
Of course, of course. Hello, everyone. We have the Chief of Tracy Police, Mr. Mellington, right here with us, and joining him is Officer Manjeet Singh from Tracy as well. Welcome, officers, to Yo India TV, and this is a beautiful occasion because United 6 is celebrating 1 full year of the cleaning accomplishment in the city of Tracy. So, what's your take overall?
We are very thankful for our partnerships with the United Sikhs here in Tracy. We've joined with them on cleaning events, and I take it as a badge of honor that we are able to participate with our United Sikhs of Tracy here in cleaning up this city, which we love.
Why do you think the rate of dirt in Tracy is pretty high, that it really demands so much of effort from a non-profit organization to clean it up?
I think that it's not just here in Tracy. This is a national problem. I think there's not enough care in the community in general. I like the fact that we here, the residents, the businesses, the community here in Tracy, take ownership in that and don't depend just on the city to do their part. We all have to do our part. And so we are thankful that we can partner with a nonprofit organization, not only just the United Sikhs, but other nonprofits here in the city, and clean up together. We all have to pitch in to do our part.
So, Mr. Manjeet Singh, you belong to the Punjabi community, and Seva or the selfless service is not new, People all over the world, especially turbaned Sikhs and, all other individuals who believe in Guru Granth Sahib, they believe in Seva karat hoye nahi kami, tisko hot parapat swami, and they are working in different areas to work and serve the needy. So, what's your take on the cleaning effort?
I just want to say, like my chief said, we totally support the United Sikhs. I have been, in the past, I have been pitching in as much as I can just to support them, just because I cannot just go out there and help them, but at least I can give something. ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਨਾ ਦਸਾਂ ਕਿਰਤਾਂ 'ਚੋਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਕਮਾਈ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਸਾਈਡ 'ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਗਰੀਬਾਂ ਲਈ ਰੱਖੀਏ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਮਦਦਵੰਦ ਲੋਕ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਦਦ ਕਰ ਸਕੀਏ so that's all I believe in that's how I've been raised just to help the needy people yeah
the homeless. Thank you so much, Joanne and Mike. Secure Millington, Tracy Police Chief. Secure. Christina and Robert Rocket. Christina and Rob. Mandeep Kaur Penji. Thank you so much. Maurice Francis, one of the Tracy's planning commissioners, always there in the community cleanup and highway cleanup services. Dr. Randeep Tillon, Tammy Lum. Tammy, along with her daughter Natalie, has been helping us in serving food to homeless in El Pasadero Park. A big name in the media, woman empowerment, none other than Jaslyn Kanoja. बहुत ही हरमन प्यारा नाम, सत्कारक नाम, साढ़े भाईचारे दे विच Yo India TV, the CEO, Sanchalika, the whole family is there for the community. Thank you, Jaslyn Kanoja Sahab and their beautiful daughter. She covered one of the cleanup events on PTC, Yo India TV. Jaslyn, continue this good work. Thank you. Alice and Richard English. volunteered in all the highway cleanup and volunteered in the community cleanup with her Bernal Shull, 90-year-old, beautiful young lady. Susie Baldespino. Susie. She is the Vice President of Southside Community Organization. केवल भुजा उठाने से योग का विश्वास बदल सकता है. Thank you, young volunteer Amrit Vander. टाबा इंडियन कुजीन दे मनजीत सिंह रतनपाल. डीजे प्रीत, एक बार ताड़ियां बजा दो डीजे प्रीत के नाम पे. अमर नागरा. गुरमीत कौर पैंजी. फ्री मील्स ऑन व्हील्स बे एरिया ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਯੂਨਾਈਟਿਡ ਸਿੱਖਸ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ. ਦਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਮਚ. ਐਸਟਰ ਕੈਲੇ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ so much. A big round of applause for her, please. Josie, thank you so much. From the first cleanup event, Manjeet Penji and her husband, Sohan Singh Ji Nagra, they have been providing hot tea and snacks for all the volunteers. Alicia Davis, Tracy City Council member. She has been involved in monthly community cleanups from the very first event. She has also volunteered for the highway cleanup and serving the homeless, volunteering for the cleanup event and is a great supporter for this cause. Thank you, Robert and Karen. Kuljeet Kaur and Roshan Singh Minhas, Wyron Market business owners. Daljinder Kaur Pangu. Thank you so much, Paramjit Serai. Varinder Kaur and Surjit Singh Kumman. Bindu Randhawa Penji. Thank you, Rani Kanu Penji. रणजीत गिल वीर जी. Janet and Robert Garcia. Kamaljeet Kaur. Thank you so much. Kiranjeet Kaur.
Being a Sikh is you share with others. They recommend 10% of your profit, and lot of Sikhs do that. We have actually asked United Sikhs today. Paji Takhar is right there. He is donating 20 acres of land in India, and I have offered them, if he donates the land, I will build 50,000 square feet building, and we have asked United Six to run that building for homeless people. And Paji's ground will be used not for just the land, but grow crops on there to feed those homeless people. So he has given for all his parents' land, he's donating it for the cause. And all we are just asking United Six, land will be there, the building will be there. There will not be a single dollar collected from anyone. We will build the building, and they can run after that. The homeless shelter, we ask them to we will build also a training center for the unfortunate people. They don't have enough money to send their kids to, better schools or get a training. So training will be done free of charge at the same place. Thank you. We are blessed here. God has given a lot. Most of the people know, when I came to this country, the house I lived in actually didn't have windows. I had to work and put the windows in when I came here. So from there, if somebody tells you it can't be done, I'm standing here. And today, the family run $4 to $6 billion company. And that's starting from picking peaches in the fields. Carlos reminds me, he also picked up peaches. But we need him at the state level. And actually all the politicians here standing, I have a lot of respect with them. I fight with them all the time too. When I see something wrong, I'm not shy. Because it takes, if somebody doesn't tell them, then it doesn't make sense. Somebody has to tell them, hey, maybe there's another way. And there's always a better way. If we all work together, there's nothing that can't be done. I also asked United Six, there's 12,000 villages in Punjab. Find 12,000 people out there who can take care, each person can take care of each village, and there won't be any person that's in a need doesn't get that help. So that's another request we are making, and we will start with it. We are always there, all over the world, wherever we are asked for, we are always there. We do our part. We don't go out there, telling, but we're there. We're trying to do what we can. We're just one family. I know everybody's trying to do good out there. If I have more, I should be putting more. If somebody has less, they're doing their part. So everybody's trying to do their part. Let's make the world a better place by everyone who can help out there. Thank you.
So Guru Nanak Sahib has taught us that what you wish to see, you must be yourself, and you must make that, and you must engage in that activism to make the world more robust, more peaceful, and more just. So thank you to the community. Thank you for covering the event.
With this, I think it's a wonderful 2021 rolling off, and we like to thank all our viewers who have joined United Six or donated for them in any way or supported them in any way. So have a wonderful new year and consider volunteering. It will make you much happier. That's a noted fact. And see you again next time. Take very good care of yourselves. This is Jasleen Khanuja signing off from Tracy. Goodbye for now.
Stay safe, guys.